Alright, so to start, the fish and chips recipe that I originally had was for you to actually get russet potatoes and french fry them yourself using one of those french fry machines. The magazine actually required that you buy one of those french fry machines that you'll see at like a burger joint or something like that you know you can french fry potatoes with. I didn't do that back then. I'm not going to do that now. Those things are like what, $55-$60 just for one of those. It's a unitasker. It's a waste of space. I'm not going to buy anything like that. So what I'm going to do is take 4 russet potatoes, and I'm going to go back to my cheesy crunch burger and JoJo's recipe, and I'm going to make those fries because I think they're better. They're fluffier, they're crunchier, they're baked, and in my case, frying as little as possible is better. So okay, so I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's actually a measuring gauge on the side of my bowl, so I'm not just randomly dumping flour in. I'm dumping in exactly 2 cups of flour. Actually, I dumped in almost over 2 cups of flour. But anyway, the recipe is actually kind of weird how it has you do everything. It's not precise, but it does have an emphasis on making sure that the batter is completely smooth, and I guess it's to build up gluten, but I'm not exactly sure.